Hello my dear friends, we have special designed two cables for Tesla cars. This cable is for battery pack detection diagnostic, BPD diagnostic, while this cable is for whole vehicle system diagnostic.
In today's video, I'll first teach everyone how to perform battery pack detection.
I will teach you how to use this battery pack detection cable to diagnose Tesla car battery pack.
Here is a decorative panel below the air outlet, and we'll remove it first. Use the dedicated cable to connect this plug. Then connect the dedicated cable's OBD port to the VCI. We select battery pack detection, find the Tesla model, and choose Model 3 along with the corresponding battery pack. Select Live Data and then choose Mod Data. We can view the voltage of each individual cell, the overall battery pack voltage, the maximum and minimum cell voltages, and the temperature of each battery module, the highest and lowest readings.
There are several connectors of Tesla car battery pack detection cable. This connector is for Tesla 3 and Tesla Y, while this two connector is for Tesla S and Tesla X.
The plug interface is located below the central control screen.
I believe after my detailed introduction, you all understand how to use Tesla car battery pack detection cable to diagnose Tesla car battery pack, right?
No!
No! Watch the video again!